What is up, guys? Joe here, back with another video. Today is Monday, November 29th, 2021, and Moderna stock is up over 11% for the day. Moderna is rallying on the news that they have identified the new Omicron COVID variant and are actively working on an updated vaccine for this new variant. So investors are rewarding the stock positively and beginning to buy up this name. So today I wanted to look at some headlines, do some technical analysis, and see whether Moderna is a buy or a hold. So let's go. So if we jump over to FinViz, there are a couple of headlines moving the stock higher. Omicron fears fuel rally in vaccine stocks. Will it continue? Moderna revamps booster strategy around Omicron variant. These COVID-19 vaccine makers continue higher. News of the variant has since boosted several COVID-19 vaccine makers, including Moderna, Pfizer, and BioNTech. Vaccine stocks could win now, lose later from the Omicron variant. Shares of COVID-19 vaccine makers jump on Friday and again early on Monday as global health officials sounded alarms about the new variant known as Omicron, first identified in southern Africa. Pfizer shares climbed 6.1% on Friday during a shortened trading day and were up another 2.3% early on Monday. BioNTech's BNTX American Depository receipt jumped 14.2% Friday and gained 6.6% Monday. Moderna shares surged 13% on Monday, building on a gain of 20.6% Friday. So if we jump back into FinViz, we do see that there are a couple of analyst price targets, and Wolf Research initiated a buy outperform rating and gave it a price target of $304. And back on October 15, we did get a upgrade from Piper Sandler, and that's a price target of $445. And Deutsche Bank also initiated a sell rating, and that's price target of $250. So as you can see, analysts are split on the name. Some are bearish, some are bullish, some are right in the middle. So there are a lot of external factors working against this company, including the Omicron variant. And these are variables hard to predict and hard to formulate. So if we look at the weekly chart, we do see since the beginning of the year, Moderna has been on this nice upward trend, and it had a massive push higher in July, and it topped out at an all-time high of close to $499. And ever since that all-time high, we have traded lower, and it's been trading within this channel. So this blue line running across would act as support, and we have another form of support in this channel, blue line running across there. And above, we do have resistance depicted by the pink line. So as you can see, Moderna has been trading in this channel the last couple of weeks. And early in November, we did have a push higher, and that's where we currently are. And it looks like we can start to revisit all-time highs in the coming weeks. So we can look at it the same way within TradingView. Here's your daily chart. And your support trend line would be down here. This would act as support, and above be your resistance line. So as you can see, Moderna has been trading within this channel, and it's been oscillating up and down between this channel. So I'd fully expect it to either break through resistance here or get rejected, and from there we could either trend higher or we can trend lower. But the way these ascending triangles work is usually you begin to get a squeeze, and the stock will remain range bound within this channel, and finally the squeeze gets so tight it'll want to resolve to the upside or resolve to the downside. So now, in order to more accurately predict where the stock could be headed next, we can draw Fibonacci retracement zones in order to accurately plot support and resistance lines. So what you want to do first is zoom out on the chart. Great. And now you want to grab your fib retracement tool, and you want to drop your first anchor at the lowest point of the stock posted back in March of 2020. And your second anchor would be at the highest point of the stock posted earlier in the year, right there. Great. And so as you can see, Moderna was trading in this range here, and that's between the 50% retracement zone and the 61% retracement zone. I was able to push through that, and now we're in the next zone, and our next level of resistance would be here, and that's a price target of 394, and that's the 78% retracement zone. So now if we're able to push through that, our next level of resistance would be the 100% retracement zone, and that's a price target of $498. And ultimately, if we do break all-time highs, we can push higher. And our next level of resistance would be the 127% retracement zone, and that's a price target of $630. So now there's a lot riding on this name. Moderna is a biotech company. They were the first to achieve the modern COVID vaccine. And now with new variants coming out, including the Omicron variants, investors remain bullish on the name. I personally am neutral on the name, being that their sales do not match their valuation. And also, as we saw earlier, a lot of analysts are split on the price target for the name. So personally, I would stay clear of the name. This is not a name I would want to own because of its volatility and because of external factors like COVID variants, political climate, government regulations. There's a lot that has to go right in order for this name to continue pushing higher. So if you currently own the stock, I would say hold the name. We do have a bright outlook, but if you're not in this name, I would say take a step back and wait for a better entry. This is not a name you want to buy at its current price level. And also looking at the RSI, we do see that we are approaching overbought territory. We are sitting at the 70-point mark on the RSI, so we are at overbought levels, meaning investors are too bullish in the short term in this name. And if we turn on our volume profile, we do see that Moderna was oscillating and trading within this range. And this red line running across is your point of control. So the point of control here was the 323 price point. That was the perfect entry point for you to get in. And everything above this is considered bullish, and everything below the point of control is considered bearish. So again, I am neutral on the name. Let me know what you think of Moderna. Do you like the stock? Do you agree with some of the products they're working on? Let me know in the comment section. So I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a question in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.